Hey guys, this is Mr. Nano here in the Rory Myers Children's Adventure Garden, and welcome to my humble abode. We're here in the plant lab, and this is where we're doing a bunch of different experiments, and some really cool ones in fact, right about now. The experiment we're running now is called Seeds on the Move, and we're talking about how seeds form from the fruits of plants, and also how they get around. So you're probably familiar with buying seeds in the store and planting those under the ground, but seeds move in a number of ways. Sometimes they float through the air, sometimes they float on water, and other times we actually carry them along on our socks, or say you eat a picnic on the blanket you bring home. And so that's what we're talking about. I have a couple of examples up here on the screen. So these two on the left, so the left there and the top center, those both come from trees. So this is the basswood tree here on the left. And you can see the important part is actually the seed coat. That is the tool for the seed to move around. On this seed coat, we have a stem that comes off and its very own leaf, like a parachute. And then here, on the maple seed, that kind of almost looks like an insect's wing or something like that. So those help these seeds float through the air. Now this guy on the right there, that is a buckleburr seed. And the way that travels is that it gets latched on to clothing, and more specifically onto an animal's fur. So say you have an animal walking through, it'll get 10 or 12 of these guys. When it cleans itself in its burrow at night, the seed is already under the ground and has a place to grow. So this is just one of the experiments we do here at the plant lab at Rory Myers Adventure Garden. But also we have other ones. This instrument I have here, this is called a refractometer. This does something really cool. You can actually put a plant's nectar onto the lens here, and as I look through, I can see how much sugar is in each flower. We can tell how sweet each one is. We have other experiments here. Here's a fluid column, and you can try this at home with your parents' permission, of course, but we have oil on top of water. That's something scientists call being hydrophobic, or scared of water. It won't mix. And we use these to demonstrate how different seeds move about and different things about plants and soils. We do all sorts of experiments here. So make sure you guys come down to the lab, say hey to me. We'll do an experiment together. Thanks a lot.